What's up everyone? This is for you if you're trying to get more clients through email marketing. Here, if you speak another language other than English, check the subtitles below because they are activated. This tutorial is a step-by-step for an absolute beginner. If you don't know anything about anything that I have just mentioned, then you're in the right place. I'll share with you the tutorial in just a sec, but let me tell you first, how does everything click together? The idea is you want to attract more clients, right? So you want to get the contacts of these clients so that you would start emailing them. So what would you do? You would have a free piece of information called freebie or a lead magnet. You're gonna put it somewhere on some page. This page is called a landing page, and then you're gonna ask people who are interested in this piece of information to leave their email address so that they download the information that you are making available for them. Once they do this, you're gonna take their email address and you're gonna start email marketing until you sell. Now this video is going to show you how to create this landing page, whether you're doing it yourself or you are outsourcing this to someone else who's gonna do it. You need to understand how it works either way. The journey on Convertkit, which is absolutely free to sign up. It's a website that you can access easily. This is how I'm gonna sign up, you guys. Go to convertkit.com, create account where you just insert your email pretty much and hit on start. Now how to log into Convertkit? Same way, just hit login, write the email address you just inserted, the password, and voila, log in, and within seconds you will be an official user of Convertkit. Right, so when I go to convertkit.com, there is another way to log in. If you've already signed up, just hit login, which is gonna take you again to the same page where you're gonna insert your email address, your password. Let's hit keep me logged in and hit log in. This is your dashboard, you guys. Hit on grow and then hit landing pages and forms. These are all the landing pages that I have, so hit create new. Now landing page. Yeah, exactly. Click on landing page, which is going to take you to all the templates that you could choose from. There is a big variety. Let me here select product. This is a classification based on purpose, and I'm gonna select a landing page that I feel serves my purpose, which is this one. I like it because it has sign up and download. This means that people are going to download immediately once they sign up. So let's review it. The review is fantastic because to the left, you guys, you will see all the templates that you could review, and to the right you will see them zoomed in so that you could go through the content and the components that exist within the landing page and decide if they are right for you. Let's see how it looks in the mobile view. This is another feature that I absolutely love. It's not necessary, but I would recommend you to see it because most of the clients today are on their mobiles. I just added this to my favorite and I'll hit choose. Now once I'm here, the first thing I usually do is to change the title, because you want to know, especially if you have more than one landing page, you want to know which one you're working on. So I need the title to be something that I would remember, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna edit the content. So you want your content typically in a landing page to be friendly. You want people to understand what they're doing very quickly. So here I'm just gonna add plan Instagram content effortlessly, because that's what the Insta planner does. That's the whole purpose of it. And then I will add a little bit of description above the email address, where I'll be asking people to insert their email addresses, and below that they will have to hit sign up and download. Here to the next site, I'm just adding few features so that people understand what they're downloading. And just take your time, you guys, and make sure that you want your content to be clear so that people would know what your landing page is about. Now let's see how to edit the image. I have two hacks for you here if you have no image. The first hack is to screenshot the document or the video that you are uploading. So I'm gonna screenshot it and then I'm gonna save it as PNG or JPEG, and I'll go back to upload it. The second hack is, if you've created this document on Canva, do not download it as PDF, download it as PNG, which is gonna download for you every page as an image, and then you can choose whichever image that you want to be part of your landing page, and I would usually select the first one. So here are all the images that I have in this document, which is the Insta Planner, you guys. And I'm going to go back to Convertkit to replace that image. I will hit replace, then I will hit image, choose an image, which is, because these are not uploaded yet, so I'm gonna choose the image that I want. It's gonna be the first page of the Insta Planner, and voila, here it is. And I feel like this image shows the visitors what is the Insta Planner about. You can also edit it. All these features, none that I'm gonna use today. They are about cropping, filtering, and mockup and flipping and stuff like that. Once you're done with it, you're gonna click done. Now, let's look at some configurations. How do people download these images? The first thing you want to do is, if you have a domain name, go ahead and add it. Incentive is something that I would recommend. So you would usually send an email to the user, and then you have two options. Either the user will hit a URL, which is a web page that you want him to download the image from, or he will download it directly from your landing page, which is the whole purpose of what we're doing. So I just selected that. So don't forget to hit download, and then you choose the file that you need the user to download. SEO analytics. This is important if you want people to find your landing page on Google and other search engines. Just add a title, some description. You can also add an image if you like. Right, so I'm gonna select the same image, and then all of these are options of integration. You've got Pinterest, you've got Google Analytics. I'll just skip it for now. Let's preview the landing page to see how a final looks like and how the users, your clients, your prospects see it from their side. So we can see that it's a simple landing page. You've got an image and a description, and then you're basically talking to them, telling them something about it, then asking them to sign up and download after leaving their email address. Now you can save it, and I'm gonna go ahead and publish it. Once you've published it, it's gonna populate a URL address which is pretty lengthy. So what I do is I go to bit.ly.com. It's very straightforward. I'm logged in as Ruba Altijani. That's my login, and then I'll create. Once you hit create, you have to paste it, and then hit create again. This is gonna create for you a short form of the long URL address that you have. You are also more than welcome to save it, and I always love to save whatever I do in case I come back to it again. So I'll give it a title and then I'll hit save. Let's test it, see if it works. It's simple how to test it. The bit.ly URL, let's hit it in the browser, and voila, we are there and we're done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found benefit in it. If you like what you just watched, let me know so that I'll double on these type of videos. If you like the online business and the marketing topics, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day.